In Nigeria and across the continent, millions of dreams are being built every single day. Not inside corporate towers, but in the noisy markets, roadside workshops, and creative corners of our cities and villages. From the welder in Kano, to the fashion designer in Lagos, to the smartphone repair guru in Accra. These are the real engines of Africa's economy that are creating jobs, feeding families, and driving growth from the ground up. Nearly 83% of total employment in Africa is informal, with Sub-Saharan Africa reaching 85%, acting as a major absorber of young labor seekers. The sector continues to contribute over 50% to Nigeria's GDP and constitutes over 66% of non-agricultural employment in Sub-Saharan Africa, often featuring low productivity, high vulnerability, and limited access to credit. For too long, this vital sector has been overlooked, undervalued, and misunderstood. Welcome to AISE, African Informal Sector Economy. Here, we step into the streets and workshops to document their real stories, their innovations, their daily struggles, their challenges, and their enormous potential. Because understanding the informal sector is not optional, it is essential for Africa's future. I am Chidera Okere.
My name is Adam Sabio. Yes, my POS is POS business. Before I employed somebody, because the business just change like up and down. If they go down, it small, it up, it go down, it ship small, it go down. Because now the market is slow, not the move like before. But now it's only me is there. But it's the thing with that. The thing very hard, not be like before. Now the thing, it's not be, the moving like last year, because it's POS like this. Now if you don't employ another person, like you go lost, because every day the game is not the do this in the only shop. Don't go see like before without that is. May government help everybody like this, small people why they do small business like this. May government may help the people like another people why they find hustler like me.
My name is Musa Ismaila. My business is bike rider. Like this current this thing for this fuel matter, we myself, the thing we don't know how we go do ourselves. Our pray they self, that subsidy where them come out, make them try to return that thing back. Now only thing what they go do, maybe everybody go get joined for in mind be that we they pray for this government, may them help us, may them return that subsidy for this fuel, so that we will get joined about that one.
name is Musa. I'm mechanic, mobile mechanic. So when I started, I never do freedom for a person. Yes, people still there under me, they learn. Like maybe just like from 2 years now, I don't have boys. I have 2 boys. Truly, it's really affecting us because most especially this fuel issue that rise up. So most times we don't have work enough like that. And the reason why is that, you know, even spare parts has already go up. So like now, if you check somebody's car now, then maybe what happened to it, the person will not even get money to fix it. So truly, it's also affecting us. So we don't really have much now. So if there's anything government can do about it. Like most especially this fuel issue that we are even having, because most times that we have fuel, maybe either fuel subsidy, waiting or whatever. That whenever we have fuel issue, it will affect most things, because number one, when you come out, you won't see most people that will go out for work. Then there are many things in market that will rise up. So mostly, if they can do anything about that fuel something, that's my own advice. Make government just help us for that. Mechanic work, like for the starting, you have to go for learning.
Okay.
Then for that learning, before you can able to stand on your own, it will take you like 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years. That's from there you can now free up, like do freedom for your master. So from then you get certificates. So at least with that years, they will be able to know that you are like, if there's any car that has fault, you can note the problem of it and you can able to solve the problem.